what's up? Hey, Island. Island Giles. Hey, Joe Bats. What's up, Joseph? Good to see ya. Funny stuff earlier, huh? Definitely some funny stuff. I don't know if you're here for all that. I don't even care. Bring it back up. You sure doing a lot over there, buds.
Yeah.
What's up, you guys? What's up, Rodness? Hey, TG Dipper. What's up, Kobe? Right. How are y'all doing, chat? What's up, Malena? Garcia, good to see you. Hey, Apple user. Hope you're doing good today. Y'all tap that screen for me. Make sure you tap the screen. Hit the like button as you come in. If you're watching, please tap the screen. We gotta tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Please, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the support, y'all. What's up, Anna? How's it going, Anna? What's up? What's up, Bree? How you doing? Good to see ya. What's up, Bree? Thank you for liking the live, Bree. There we go. Appreciate that, Bree. Thank you for all the likes. What's up, Dimitri? Hey, Becky. Dimitri, thank you for the likes, too. We're at 148. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. What's up, Off Kid? Hey, Holly Joe. Oh my God, thank you so much, Holly Joe, for the roses. W roses. Hey, Joe Bats. What's up, Off Kid? Thank you so much. Hi there. Hey, how you doing? Appreciate those 22 roses. What's up, Rhonda? Off Kids in the house. Joe Bats, thank you for the likes so much. You're doing amazing with those likes. It's so pretty out here today, y'all. John, oh, he's fine. He's all good. So pretty out. A little moment. Y'all keep tapping that screen. What's up with y'all today? What y'all been up to today? Sun's going down. We got a little sunlight walking before it cuts off. Before everything gets too dark. What's up, Carrie? Yeah, we're doing our rounds. Y'all keep tapping. Keep on tapping. Keep on tapping, y'all. So pretty out, oh my gosh. What y'all up to today, y'all? We're almost at 1,000 likes. Keep on tapping. What y'all want to talk about today? A lot of drama going on. According to Candace, WWE3 is coming. That's pretty scary. Well, I don't know what that's going to mean for us. It's kind of unpredictable, to be honest. Yeah, let me know what you guys, what's going on with you guys. I'll give you a lake view moment. So pretty. So pretty, y'all. Loving this, like, looking out here. What's up, Angel? What's up, what's up? That dish was funny earlier, wasn't it? You effed up? You effed up with the girl? You effed up with the girl or what? What's up? You okay? Yeah, gang, she's mad at me. Oh gosh, you already lost your girl. How long have I been together already? Not even a month? Wow. I was gonna show y'all the lake a bit. Why not? Look at these geese. It's a vibe today, y'all. It's a vibe. That's right, Dr. Doom. That's so awesome. That's right, Dr. Doom. That's so awesome. That's awesome. I'd love to hear that. Hope you had an awesome birthday yesterday with your friends, or today with your friends. Thanks for joining. It's so cool to be able to bring it in with you yesterday, or like in the morning. Oh, so nice today. Oh my gosh. Angel said yes, was supposed to call, and she was like, are you home? And it took me a while to answer her because I was helping my dad change the oil. Oh, okay. Fair enough. That's how Mountain lost his B word. That's how Mountain lost his from not answering for like 3 days, though. At least yours wasn't 3 days, right? She said, F you. She literally blocked them everywhere. She was done. These B words are not loyal. Who is this? Oh, it's KJ. KJ said, hey, Rock, sorry I haven't been on the lives. I've been having a couple of hard days. Understandable. Understandable. You do whatever you need to do for you. You do whatever you need to do. Gosh. That door is easy to open. Bro, like, she got to understand that I have ish to do. Yeah, that's true. She ain't the right B word then. You gotta kick that B word to the side. Seems like it. Not the right one. Got the wrong B word. Yeah, how's the new shop today? Are the flocks of the feather bird situation, are they up on the shop today? I gotta buy some more doggone V-Bucks. I think I'm just gonna start buying the V-Bucks, like like the 1,300 pack for 13,000 package each time. Like I think oh Joe said they are. Okay, that's cool. I think I'm just gonna buy like the $80 bundle. Like I think oh Joe said they are. Okay, that's cool. I think I'm just gonna buy like the $80 bundle each time because you get them 35% off, and it just makes the most sense. If I'm gonna keep on getting stuff, it's like why buy them? Why buy the cheaper one? You know? Like why buy the cheaper one if I'm gonna keep on buying them? You know? I think I gotta do it that way. Because otherwise, I'm spending more money, 35% more money over time, and it's gonna always keep on bringing out dope skins to get. So I think whenever I run out, just get the bundle, get the big bundle, and keep it moving. Otherwise, I'm losing on and get stuff I like. I said, never mind. Angel said, never mind. I recover, gang. She said, we can fix. We can fix. We can FT fix. What does that mean? She understood. Good. Okay. She sounds a little dramatic, but whatever. I don't like drama. I'm so happy being single. Being single is the absolute best thing ever. For me, at least. Because it's like, I ain't trying to deal with none of that ish. Oh, FaceTime. Okay. FT means FaceTime. Gotcha. That makes sense. Well, that's cool then. Well, let's see how it works out. That's a red flag, though. The fact that you were stressed about it means it's a red flag. Like an N-word can't even change the oil without causing drama. That's wild. That's real wild. Angel, how old do you think Kenz is? He said he was lying about his age. Being mad weird too. I know he's British at least. That can't be lied. Alright, I'm gonna get off soon, you guys. I don't know if Angel's still here. I think they're about to probably FaceTime me now. It's getting dark anyway. I'm gonna get home and see what else other skins there are in the shop. Grab the $100 bundle, $80 bundle, whatever, and 89. Basically $90 bundle of V-Bucks. Let's keep it moving. You gotta invest in what you love, you know? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get off in a second. I think Angel left. I was trying to see if he's gonna answer that question. But I'm gonna get off. I'll see you guys when I get back home for Fortnite. I already did the dishes. So I'm just gonna be uploading more videos as I play tonight. We did some good ranked games today. I was surprised how good we did in ranked. So maybe we'll run some more ranked. I'm finally Platinum 2. I don't know how far I'll get in this season. I'm not trying to grind like that. All I want is my pickaxe and I'm chilling. So, alright y'all, I'm gonna get off of here. Rock Mercury, and thank y'all for the 1,300 likes. I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in my next live. Peace out. Y'all, I'm gonna get off of here. Rock Mercury, and thank y'all for the 1,300 likes. I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in my next live. Peace out. Bye, April. Wait, bye, y'all. And I'll see y'all in my next live. Peace out. Bye, April. Wait, bye, y'all.